Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the casting in Python. Okay, so casting is nothing but the change the type. We are not going to change the data type of the variable. We just change the value of variable. Okay, so let's consider here. I want to define the variables as x is equal to 10, y is equal to 22.2, and z is equal to string. Okay, this is the string, and we are going to print them. Okay, with the type we're going to print their type also. Okay, so I will just x comma y, sorry, x y z. Okay, so we have three variable. Okay, so which have their value. First variable have is x, its value has integer. Second variable has y, its value is a float, and third variable is a z, its value is a string. Okay, now I want to do the casting it. Okay, so I want to do the uh, I want to change the type of variable. Now let's consider. I will explain. Okay, now x is a have integer value, but I want to print as a float value. Float value means one precision value. That this is nothing but float value. So x equal to float 10. So that is what's given. So I'm here casting. The value is given in integer, but I'm casting to the float. So I just print it x. So now 10 will be printed as a 10.0. That is mean the value, the integer value is going to convert it to the float value. This is nothing but the casting. So this is the one way of do casting. So I want to let's consider we have value of y was here already defined. Okay, I want to convert or cast into the integer value. So just print again int it. So it will going to give the random value, and it's just display the 20. So the integer float value going to convert into the integer value. This is nothing but the casting. So we just change the form of existing defined data type. Okay, the existing defined data value, not a data type. Okay, so let's consider I want to print the casting into the str. Okay, let's consider um, let's have x. Okay, so we're going to print it x value. So x is a 10. Now I'm going to convert or casting of the float value into the string. Str is a x. Okay, so it's going to say things. You're going to convert it. So mostly the casting is doing from between float and integer, not in string, because string is not a string is a text type, and float and float and integer are the numerical class. They are some same class. Okay, so because they are the same class, that's why it is not going to create any problem. They are easily get converted or easily get casting into the same class. But the string class is different, and the numeric class means text class is different. Text class, string is comes from the text class, integer and float comes from the numerical class. So the while doing the casting, please try to look, you should prefer the same variable or same class member. Okay, so the integer and float and range, these are the same type of variable, or sorry, integer, float and complex, these are the same member class. So you should prefer the same member class. So this is nothing but the casting. So casting is very useful when you are doing the calculations. Okay, when you are do the some programs, so that time casting is very important. Okay, so that's it for the casting. Thank you very much. Please like, subscribe and comment us.